2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1. This is in the fighter jet gray. This is the Elite package. Has the orange accents with the orange Brembo brakes. And then the Michelin Pilot Sport tires. Awesome looking package. It just came out for 2021. The Mach 1 gives you the Mach 1 badging at the back and the rear diffuser, which is bigger. Also the GT500 exhaust. Big tips at the back. Way bigger than the standard GT with the active exhaust. The decaling is a matte in the middle and then more of a gloss black with the Mach 1 and the orange striping, which breaks up the color really well. And then on the mirrors it has the more of the matte finish. Same with the front emblem. It's the matte finish. Grill looks really great. These you can actually pull out for better airflow. The inserts. Front diffuser looks great too. The back spoiler is a matte finish as well. The Mach 1 gets you the Mach 1 applique, memory seating with this package, and then the Elite package you'll have the orange stripe on the leather seats. This one's the 10-speed auto. Paddle shifters. And still, for 2021, you still have a CD player, which is surprising considering I don't think another Ford vehicle does right now. Everyone deleted the CD player, so you still get a CD player with this Mach 1. The chassis number is located just above the glove box. The finish, very nice. Inside just looks a little more premium. Got the pedals as well, the billet aluminum pedals. And then it's a staggered setup, so you actually have a 275 40 ZR 19 back. There again, it's the Michelin Pilot Sport, which is a great tire, very grippy. As you can see in Saskatchewan, Canada, you would not be going anywhere with this car today. That is all ice. So it is definitely staying inside here for right now. Functional heat extractors. And then the window sticker. So this is Canadian. Mach 1 Coupe Premium. 480 horsepower, 10-speed auto transmission. This is the option, so it's a 700A package. You pay a little more for the transmission. And then the Mach 1 Elite package. Mach 1 appearance with the stripes and then the navigation. So as you can see that this is Canadian.